Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your body looks taller in a Photes. Now let's get started. First, open your Snapseed apps. If you don't have Snapseed apps, you can download first at a Google Play Store or App Store. And then after this you can open your apps, and after this you can click anywhere or tap anywhere to open a photo, and in here you can add the photo that you want to edit. In here I want to add this photo, so you just click on it. In here I want to show you this is the original photo like this, but in this photo I want to make this person looks like Taylor. So you just click on the tools at the bottom, click on it, and after this you can click on the perspective, and after this you can swipe to up with this button like this. Swipe like this. Okay, and after this you can click check icon in here. Okay, now you can see this is a before and this is the after. This is the before and this is the after. Now after this you can export the export the photo with export button at bottom. This one, click on it and then click on the save. And after this you can open your gallery, and then in here you can see the photo has been saved. So finish. That's how to make that's how to edit your body likes look like a tailor in a Photes. So I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.